Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're welcome. So today I'm taking you guys to Portharcourt Road. But the Portharcourt Road is under reconstruction by the Abia state government. You can see here the heavy duty machines doing a good job, and you can see this section of the road that has already been covered with asphalt. And I don't know, maybe if another layer of asphalt is going to be poured on this road, but Charlie, serious work is going on here. There are a whole lot of work that is being put into this Portharcourt Road to make sure that it's delivered to the people in no distant time. If you're a returning viewer, I want to say a very big thank you for always making our chance to watch my video. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are welcome once again. Please watch the video down to the end and then tell me what you think in the comment section. Now, this Portharcourt Road, when it's completed, is really going to ease movement for business people that are doing business here in Abia, or for business people that are coming from Portharcourt to Abia or different parts of the state or different parts of the country, because Abia is a commercial city of Abia state, and without it having good roads, business is going to be quite difficult, because you have to convey goods and some other services people need to make use of public transport, and they end up making use of the roads. So yes, this road is a very great, I would say it's a great achievement because of how it's going to help the commercial hub of Abia state. Please kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you think they are doing a good job here? Now, the contractor that is handling this huge project is Julius Berger, and of course, any job that Julius Berger is involved in, that job turns out to be very good. So please kindly watch the video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. Okay, for those people that are asking how many km is this road, so this road is a 6.7 km road. If you look at the drainage, my brother, I've not seen this type of drainage before. The drainage is so solid and sophisticated, you understand. It's something I have not seen before with my eyes. It's deep. I even went close to it. It's very deep. Not does it's very solid, like I see it. And you can see the road is wide. It's very wide. This road is going to really help the businessmen and women and the people all around here in Abia state. So these are among the roads that the Abia state government is constructing in Abia state. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I have other videos. This first 6-lane road construction in Abia state, I did a lot of videos on that road. You can watch here on my channel and see how the road is right now. It has been completed and people are already making use of the road. So I have a lot of videos. Even the Hausa Hafia Express road, I have the video here on my channel. Just scroll down and watch any video you want to watch. Thank you guys for watching. Please watch to the end and don't forget to tell me what you think. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and you click the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch it. So yes, you can see the drainage I was talking to you about. You can see how strong it is. Yes, so you see what I'm saying. That's how it is. So to attack on then you watch then you see a very big machine ahead of me. I think it's lifting those concrete barriers or something to use in the construction of the building of the drainage. So kindly tell me what you think in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for?